Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty. Town and Country Planning Act 1990. We're looking at Section 247 initially, and this is the one that goes with development schemes which involve the stopping up or diversion of highways, and these occur on a regular basis up and down the country, and I've been involved in a few of them in my time. And Section 247, the Secretary of State may by order authorise the stopping up or diversion of any highway if he is satisfied that it is necessary to do so to enable development to be carried out in accordance with a planning permission. The bit in brackets outside Greater London, there is an identical provision for Greater London, and that's Section 247A, but the same principles apply here in any event. So the case law on the point makes it quite clear that the application of Section 247 is not retrospective. And what this means is that if the development has been carried out in its entirety, then it's not possible to apply retrospectively for a Section 247 order in order to sort out the problem. And rightly or wrongly, the courts have held that the provision talks about, uses the phrase to enable development to be carried out. And you can't enable development to be carried out if it already has been carried out. And the judges have a habit of using the word futurity. It has an element of futurity. I haven't got a clue whether that's a part of the English language. I've never looked it up, but at least it crystallizes the point that the judges have in mind here. Then, okay, one way of, I say, Section 247 allows for a complete stopping up and extinguishment of an order of a way, but it also allows for the creation of a new way in the same order. And that new way could be either classed as an improvement, or it could be of a lower class. So it might be that we extinguish a carriageway and replace it with a footpath, and that the balance of the site could be used for amenity purposes, development, whatever. It's also important to bear in mind that Section 247 occurs in the context of the Town and Country Planning Act 1990. And what that means is that where a term which is defined in the 1990 Act is used within Section 247, then it carries with it the definition that's given by the Act to that particular expression. So the word development is defined in the Town and Country Planning Act of 1990, or rather the concept is, and you'll find that in sections 55 and 56 of the Town and Country Planning Act. So, and that applies to operational development, the building of houses, etc., mining operations, and of course material change of use. So there we go. To enable development, and that's defined by the Act itself.